Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast.
Hi there, I'm Peppa.
And I'm Russ.
Today we're talking about something really fun.
We're going to discuss planning a home book club meeting.
Oh, I love book clubs.
Me too. They're such a great way to connect with friends.
And to discover new books.
Exactly. Plus, it gives you a reason to actually finish reading.
That's so true.
So today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know.
From choosing the book to hosting the perfect meeting.
Whether you're starting a new club or hosting for the first time,
this episode is for you.
Let's dive in.
So first things first, choosing the right book.
This is probably the most important decision.
Absolutely. The book can make or break your meeting.
So how do you choose?
Well, first consider the genre.
Right? You want something that appeals to most members.
Fiction tends to work well for book clubs.
But nonfiction can be great too.
It really depends on your group's interests.
WHA. What about Lynn?
Good question. You don't want something too long.
Especially if you're meeting monthly.
I'd say aim for 250 to 400 pages.
That's manageable for most people.
And consider the difficulty level.
You want everyone to be able to engage with it.
Not too simple, but not too complex either.
How do you get input from members?
I like to create a poll.
That's a great idea.
Everyone can suggest books and then vote.
Democracy in action.
Exactly, and everyone feels included.
What are some popular book club picks?
Well, contemporary fiction is always popular.
Books with strong characters and themes.
Things that spark good discussions.
Like The Nightingale or Where the Crawdads Sing.
Those are perfect examples.
Once you have a few options, take a vote.
And the winner becomes your next read.
Okay, so you've chosen your book.
Now you need to set a date and time.
This can be tricky with everyone's schedules.
It really can, but there are ways to make it work.
I recommend using a scheduling tool.
Like Doodle or When to Meet.
Everyone can mark their availability.
And you can find a time that works for most people.
How often should book clubs meet?
Monthly is pretty standard, but some clubs meet every 6 weeks.
Or even quarterly for longer books.
It's really up to your group.
What about the time of day?
Evenings work well for most people.
After work, around 7 p.m.
Weekends can be good too.
Saturday afternoon. Book clubs are lovely.
How long should meetings last?
I'd say about 2 hours.
That's enough time for good discussion.
Without it feeling too long.
And don't forget to send invitations.
Even if it's just a text or email.
Give people at least 2 weeks' notice.
So they can plan accordingly.
Now, let's talk about preparing your space.
This is where you can really set the mood.
First, think about seating.
You want everyone to be comfortable.
And able to see each other.
A circle or semicircle works best.
Living room sofas and chairs are perfect.
You might need to bring in extra seating.
Cushions on the floor can work too.
Make it cozy and inviting.
Lighting is important.
You don't want it too bright.
But not so dim that people can't see their notes.
Soft, warm lighting is ideal.
Maybe some lamps instead of overhead lights.
Candles can add a nice touch.
Just make sure they're unscented.
You don't want strong smells competing with food.
Good point. What about temperature?
Make sure the room isn't too hot or cold.
Comfortable temperature keeps people focused.
And maybe you have some blankets available.
Some people always get cold.
Creating a cozy atmosphere is key.
It makes people want to stay and chat.
Let's talk about refreshments.
Oh, this is my favorite part.
Food always makes everything better.
It really does, but you don't need to go overboard.
Simple is often best.
What do you usually serve?
I like to have a variety of snacks.
Cheese and crackers are always a hit.
Fruit and vegetables with dip.
Maybe some nuts or chips.
And don't forget something sweet.
Cookies or brownies work great.
What about drinks?
Water is essential.
Coffee and tea are nice to have,
Wine is popular for evening meetings.
but always have non-alcoholic options.
What if someone has dietary restrictions?
Always ask ahead of time.
And try to accommodate them.
It shows you care about your members.
You could do theme-based snacks.
Oh, that's fun. Like what?
If you're reading a book set in Italy,
Serve Italian snacks.
or if it's set in the 1920s,
Have vintage-style treats.
it adds an extra layer of fun.
What about potluck style?
That's a great option.
Everyone brings something to share,
It takes the pressure off the host.
and you get more variety.
Just coordinate so you don't get all desserts. Now, let's talk about preparing for the discussion.
This is crucial for a good meeting,
First, make sure you actually read the book.
all the way through.
Don't just skim it.
You need to be familiar with the whole story.
Take notes as you read.
Mark interesting passages.
Write down questions that come to mind.
This will help you lead the discussion.
What kind of questions should you prepare?
Start with open-ended questions.
Things that don't have yes or no answer.
Like, what did you think of the main character?
Or, how did the setting affect the story?
Focus on themes.
What was the author trying to say?
What messages or lessons did you take away?
Character development is always good to discuss.
How did characters change throughout the book?
What motivated their actions?
Don't forget about the writing style.
Did you like how the author wrote?
Was it easy to read or challenging?
What about the ending?
Wasn't satisfying?
Did it surprise you?
These are all great discussion points.
How many questions should you prepare?
I'd say at least 10.
But you probably won't use them all.
They're there if the conversation lags.
One important thing, avoid spoilers.
Yes. Make sure everyone has finished the book.
Or at least warn people before discussing the ending.
So the day has arrived. How do you facilitate the discussion?
This is where your preparation pays off.
Start by welcoming everyone.
Make sure they have food and drinks.
Give people a few minutes to settle in.
Then begin the discussion. Did you enjoy the book?
What stood out to you?
This gets everyone talking.
Then move into deeper questions.
Use the questions you prepared.
But be flexible.
Let the conversation flow naturally.
If people are engaged in a topic, let them continue.
Don't rush to the next question.
How do you keep everyone engaged?
Make sure everyone gets a chance to speak.
Some people are naturally quiet.
Gently invite them to share their thoughts.
Sarah, what did you think about that?
But don't put anyone on the spot.
What if people disagree?
That's actually great.
Different perspectives make for rich discussions.
Just make sure it stays respectful,
Everyone's opinion is valid.
even if you disagree.
How do you manage time?
Keep an eye on the clock.
If you're spending too long on one topic,
Gently move the conversation forward.
that's a great point. Let's also talk about
And save time at the end for wrap up. Let's talk about making it memorable.
Because book club should be fun, not just educational.
Absolutely. You can add some fun activities,
Like what?
book-related games or trivia.
That sounds fun,
Or you could watch the movie adaptation.
if there is one.
Compare it to the book,
Decorations can add to the atmosphere.
especially if they relate to the book.
If it's set at the beach, use beach decor.
Little touches make a big difference.
Don't forget to take photos,
They're great memories.
and you can share them with the group.
Before everyone leaves, plan the next meeting.
Choose the next book,
Set the date.
so everyone knows what's coming.
This keeps the momentum going.
Let's wrap up with some key takeaways.
First, choose a book that appeals to your group.
Get input and vote democratically.
Set a date that works for most people.
Give plenty of notice.
Prepare your space to be comfortable and inviting.
Provide simple but tasty refreshments.
Read the book thoroughly and prepare questions.
Facilitate discussion by keeping everyone engaged.
Respect different opinions.
And most importantly, have fun.
Book clubs are about community.
And sharing your love of reading.
Don't stress about making it perfect.
Your enthusiasm is what matters most.
So go ahead and plan that book club meeting.
Your friends will love it.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We'll see you next time.
Happy reading!
Bye-bye.